Bibbidi bobbidi bow! Hey there, I'm Mr. Larrie, and I've got a Cricut Maker 3! We got a Cricut Maker 3! Ow! Thank you so much to Cricut for sending me this machine to try out all of its new amazing features and to share it with you all just before it's available in stores. I feel like a kid in a candy shop, and I know that crafters have so many different tools that we use and rely on, and this is just one of the latest. I'm not really well versed in working with Cricuts. I've never used a machine before, so you all get to learn while I learn. But I'm very excited because I know that it does so many things. Things for small jobs, and now things for huge jobs. I don't know if you heard, but this thing can cut 12 feet continuously. I have never used a Cricut machine personally, but I know that they can do a great deal of things. I actually used to teach scrapbooking to older ladies at a coffee shop when I was in college as part-time barista, part-time scrapbook instructor. And in teaching those classes, I learned a lot about paper crafts and cutting and all those sort of things that this machine can do very easily for you. But have no fear, this machine can do a whole lot more than just scrapbooking. So we're gonna open this up, we're gonna check out some goodies, and then let me know what ideas you have that might be executed easily on a Cricut machine and what projects you've taken on yourself. I'm very interested in seeing how you guys are using these things, and I know that I will just be scratching the surface in the projects that we do in the next video. So I'm very interested to see what the community is up to. You can really use them for everything from making personalized items for yourself to making t-shirts for your entire squad. A lot of business owners are using these, people on Etsy and people who sell their crafts, and people are using it to decorate their homes and beautify their personal spaces. I'm so excited that we have a machine that is so diverse and so powerful at our fingertips and ready to help us make some crafts. Let's open this box and see what comes along inside, and then join me for a video later on where we'll take on 1 or maybe 2 or maybe 3 projects that all use the functions of the Cricut Maker 3. Big! It feels powerful! The power! The Cricut Maker 3 works with 300 plus materials, over 12 tools, up to 2 times faster than previous Cricut models, and it cuts up to 12 feet or 3.6 meters without a mat using smart materials. Oh my god! Oh! You are meant to make. That's cool. Ooh. Let's get started. We can activate our machine on Cricut.com for setup. Allons-y! It looks like we also have a smart paper sticker cardstock sample. And of course the machine itself. Let's open this guy. Oh, it's brand new. That new craft toy smell. There are entire generations of people who don't ever take the plastic off of their things. I just think that's worth thinking about sometimes. Beautiful! Y'all, this color, it like coordinates with my nails nicely. Wow. That was just so like serene, the way it just opened up. Y'all, look at this. Oh, iPad space, that's lovely. We have a premium fine point blade housing unit just here. We have the USB cable that we need to connect it to USB devices. We have our Cricut power adapter. The Cricut Maker 3 also comes with a free trial subscription to Cricut Access, which is a web space that gives you just tons and tons and tons of assets to use for your Cricut machine. For new subscribers, it also comes with access to 100 ready-to-print projects online and some material for practice cutting. Let's take a look at the Cricut Maker 3 by the numbers. This machine is 2 times faster than its predecessor, cuts 300 plus materials with 12 plus tools for use, and it cuts up to 12 feet of new Cricut Smart materials continuously, It represents a third generation of crafting excellence and is available in one stunning, sophisticated color. And you guys, Cricut didn't just send me this beautiful machine, but they also dropped a few boxes of supplies on my doorstep. What am I supposed to do with all of this? Absolutely everything. We've got smart, permanent, and removable vinyl in several many colors, including my fave. We've got smart iron-on glitter vinyl in silver and gold, transfer tape, Cricut's basic tool set, which fits perfectly into my aesthetic, and the new Cricut portable trimmer, which has been made larger to accommodate this new machine's capabilities. Remember, you can visit Cricut.com/more for tutorials and troubleshooting with setting up your Cricut machine. Okay, let's do that opening again, because that's really nice. That's lovely. You just... Let me know what you think of the Cricut Maker 3 and if you intend to pick one up, and what kinds of projects you have in mind for using it. I'm really excited to see what you have in mind because we can definitely learn how to use this thing together, and my next video I'll be doing just that with 3 different projects using 3 different materials with this revolutionary machine. Thank you guys so much for checking out Mr. Larrie's side quest this week. Be sure to subscribe and then hit the bell button for notifications on crafty content every week. Follow me over on Instagram and TikTok at Mr.Larrie for even more crafting fun. I'll see you guys soon. Stay safe and stay crafty.